Hello everyone, today we are going to study topic adjectives. So we already know that adjectives are words that are used to describe nouns and pronouns. And what do they describe? They describe kind, they describe which one, they help in identifying. So they actually define noun and give them characteristics and differentiate them from other nouns. And because pronoun come in place of noun, automatically this happens with them too. So adjective is a word that is going to describe noun and pronoun in a sentence and say more about them. That's how we can define them. So we can say that they give more information about a noun and pronoun by answering these questions. What kind, which one, and how many. They describe color, size, shape, taste, odor, texture, sound, number, weather. Something is clear, dry, foggy, rain, windy. So how something is also is described. Now let's see types of adjectives. First is quality. So it describes the nature of a noun. It gives you an idea about the characteristic of the noun by answering the question, what kind? So whenever I say noun, you hear both noun and pronoun, dear children. These are the examples: honest, kind, large. New Delhi is a large city. Sheila is a beautiful woman. So you can see they're describing the quality. Now quantity. Quantity helps you show the amount or approximate amount of the noun or pronoun. Now these adjectives do not provide exact number. Rather, they tell us the amount of the noun in relative or whole terms. Let's understand this with the help of examples. All, half, many. Are they telling you the exact thing? No, they are giving you an idea. So they have finished most of the rice. So we don't know exactly the amount of rice finished, but yeah, we get an idea that most of it is done. Many people came to visit. Now many is giving you an idea that not many people came. Yes, so they give you an idea of the actual, not the actual number, an idea of it. Okay, now number does the exact opposite. It is used to show the exact number, okay, and their place in the order. So we have three different sections of adjectives of number. They are definite numeral, where we get the exact number of the noun or the order of the noun. 1, 2, 33, they are cardinals, and then first, second, third ordinals. We know this in math. So these all show the exact number and exact order. Then number, when it is also called numeral adjectives, and it shows how many person or things are meant. And we divide them in two parts: definite numerals and indefinite numerals. Definite numerals, again, we just studied about them in the previous slide, ordinals and cardinals. And sometimes we can also get examples of multiplicatives like symbol, single, double, triple, these words. Okay, and indefinite also are an example of adjective of quantity. They are used in the adjective of quantity as well. So how do we differentiate when all, some, enough, none, they are number, and when they are quantity, they are the same words, right? So whenever they are used with countable nouns, they are adjective of number, and when they are used with the uncountable nouns, they are adjectives of quantity. This is the main thing, major point that you have to remember, dear children. Whenever you see that those words which do not give the exact definite number are used with countable nouns, they are adjectives of number. For example, some, all. Yes, but when they come with uncountable nouns, they are called adjectives of quantity. So adjective of quantity expresses approximate amount rather than the exact number, and number depicts the number of nouns on their positions or place in a certain order, and they depict it more precisely, not like quantity, which just gives an approximate amount. So Now we come to demonstrative adjectives. So demonstrative adjectives are used to point out or indicate a particular noun or pronoun. And the examples are this, that, these, and those. Now that bag belongs to Neil. This paintbrush. Try this paintbrush. So these are pointing. Those shoes, these flowers, these are pointing. Possessive adjectives. So possession and ownership. I put my house for sale. So my word here is showing possession. Our school, its kitten, her hair. These words, they show that somebody owns it or possesses it. Now we have started this already. The difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjectives. So possessive pronoun replace noun and noun phrases, and possessive adjective they modify. Mine, yours, his, hers, these are pronouns, and my, your, his, her, these are adjectives. Possessive pronoun can act as subject and object, but possessive adjective will always just be a modifier. Possessive pronoun are never followed by a noun, and possessive adjectives are followed by a noun. This is the difference. Now here in this exercise from the book, we will underline the adjective of quality. You can pause the video, underline, and then check the answers. Golden, it is describing apples. Then mysterious, it is describing a thing. Then amazed, overjoyed, describing the state of Haiti. Then new is describing words. Then black and white are describing letters and pages. Exciting, who are exciting? The people. Wise, what is wise? Words. Then unhappy, who is unhappy? Sunil, describing the state of Sunil. Then greedy, who is greedy? King, yes, you got it right. Sparkling, yes, jewels. Floating, palace. Okay, now let's move to the next thing. Here you have to circle the adjectives of number 5. Yes, 4. All day is countable, right? Then circle the adjective of quantity. You do it and then pause and then check. Whenever adjective of quantity are there, it comes with, yes, uncountable nouns. So these are the answers. Now, last, adjective forms. There are words here given, noun and verbs. So we will add suffixes to them and make an adjective. Now, which adjective can be made from fear? If it is a night, it must be fearless, right? Weather is kite. With cloud, the weather becomes cloudy. And with wind, it becomes windy. So you see, suffixes are added and made into adjectives. Rain, of course, right answer, rainy. Book, bookish. Peaceful, suitable. We have already studied this when we were doing the exercise suffixes. Yes, active, helpful, foolish, and feverish. Now we see by adding all these suffixes, we made these nouns and verbs into adjectives, right? Okay, so now in the next video, we will see comparison of adjective. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you.